I'm 33. I don't have a kid. I don't have a husband. I'm not dating anyone right now. I am in a career that I've been forcing for pretty much a decade now. I feel like I'm just like fed up. I literally just got back from work, and for some reason I just have this urge to just get whatever is on my mind just out. Initially I was gonna make this whole I have this other video that I was gonna launch as going to be like my first video back on YouTube, and I'm trying not to cry. I'm actually trying not to cry right now. And it's just, I've just been ruminating about this particular thing all day in my mind. So I'm 33. I don't have a kid. I don't have a husband. I'm not dating anyone right now. I am in a career that I've been forcing for pretty much a decade now, and I'm trying to make it work, and I feel like I'm just fed up. I'm just fed up. I don't like where I am right now. I just don't. Wow. I just don't. And I feel so what am I doing with my life right now? And it's one of those things where it's I have this feeling, this innate feeling, and I'm ruminating about it all day today. And I'm I have so much that I want to do in this world, and I feel like I'm wasting time. I feel like I'm wasting time. I don't know why. I don't know. There's just something that I have to do, and I'm trying my best to what is my purpose? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I've gone over it over and over in my head, and I'm God, please show me a sign, show me my purpose, show me what I'm supposed to do. And I feel like I've done everything else, and now it's finally time for me to find what I'm going to do with my life. I'm so unhappy. I'm so unhappy with where I am mentally. I'm exhausted. I'm drained. I feel like I have to do something that just I need to shock my system. I don't know if anyone can relate right now. And I feel like I'm going insane. I'm sitting there looking at everyone around me at work, and I'm not supposed to be here right now. This is not what I'm supposed to be doing. I feel like I'm meant for more. I feel like I should be doing more. I should be creating, connecting. I should be in something innovative that is impactful, that touches people's lives, that just something. And I don't know what it is, but I'm just so unhappy right now. I'm so unhappy. And the amount of tears, the amount of me just thinking, constantly thinking, okay, I need direction. I have so many things that's stuck in my head, and I need to put it down on paper. I'm trying so hard to put it into words right now. I'm just tired of where I am. I'm just so tired. I'm exhausted. I feel like I need to do something else. I have to do something else. Whether it's a career change, whether it's me physically moving again, whether it's me finally just going, just diving on the deep end into these ideas that I have. And I'm just so scared. I'm just so scared. But the thing is, I've been scared for over a decade now, and I haven't moved the needle on anything. What am I doing? So tonight, I don't know who this is gonna reach, or maybe I'll just save this video for myself to go back, refer back to it. I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. I'm so ready. I walk outside and I feel like a shell in myself. I feel like I'm just on autopilot. I'm not really living the life that I'm meant to live, and that sucks. That sucks so much. I feel stuck, but also I feel like I have to pivot. I want to break out of this, I just want to shock my system, and I don't know how to do that. but I'm gonna take it one day at a time. I can't slow down. I don't want to just like, okay, let me plan, no, I just have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. I don't know what that looks like, but I'm praying it works out. It always works out for me. It always works out for me. It always works out for me. It always works out. I just have to trust and believe that it's gonna work out. I don't know what this next chapter of my life looks like. I'm scared, I'm anxious. Every single day I like wake up, I said, this is the day I'm going to just quit my job. I'm gonna sell everything that I own and just figure it out. And maybe I'm not gonna do that extreme thing of me selling all my things, but I think a change is coming, and I feel it in my gut. Not even in my gut, I feel it in my heart, I feel it in my soul. That's how much of a change that I need right now. I'm so tired of living like this. Don't know why I feel, just for the past like couple of years, I just feel like I'm like living just day by day, and the days are going by me and I'm not doing the things that I really want to do. And like I felt the way I'm supposed to feel like for a slight second, and I want to feel like that all the time. I want to feel free. I want to wake up and just not be anxious every day. I want to wake up and not feel like, oh my gosh, I'm doing something wrong, or oh, another day. I want to wake up and be happy with my life and feel like I'm accomplishing something, and feel like I finally found my purpose. I want to wake up and not feel stuck, not feel anxious, not feel like I'm not doing enough. I want to wake up and have financial freedom. I want to just like live my life. I just want to be able to like breathe. I want to like birth something into this world. I want to make a contribution to the world. And I feel like I can't keep doing that if I continue to just accept feeling stagnant, keep accepting just like my life just being how it is right now. I don't know if I'm making sense at all. I'm so like, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy, and I don't want to feel like this anymore. I can't feel like this anymore. A change has to happen. A change is going to happen. So right now, I just need to feel all my feelings. If I have to cry, I'm just gonna do it. But I feel like I'm meant for more than this, what I'm doing right now. I'm meant for more. I'm supposed to be doing more. I have chills. I'm supposed to be doing more. I should be doing more than I am right now. Like, I'm supposed to live this amazing life that I'm like proud of. I'm the woman that loves her life. I'm the woman that wakes up every morning just happy to be here and just doing all the things that I'm meant to do, feeling fulfilled. I haven't felt fulfilled in a very, very long time. And to even say that out loud is actually really scary. And I feel like most of us do this. We just live and we just go with the flow and do it for years, and then we wake up one morning, we're 33. I feel like if there's any time for me to like make this big pivot that I want to make in my life, it's now. It's now. And I just have to like step out in faith. I have to step out in knowing that it always works out for me, and it will work out for me. I need to get unstuck. Stop feeling anxious. I need to stop feeling afraid. I need to stop feeling like I'm behind, but I know I'm not. But I like, it's this weird feeling of feeling like I should be doing more. Oh my gosh, it's an endless cycle. It's an endless cycle right now in my brain, and I just need it to stop. Because I need to put a pen down on paper. That's what I'm gonna do first, because I feel like right now my brain is just like everywhere. Write down all of the ideas that I have, and I'm just gonna have to bring you guys along with me, because I need people to hold me accountable of the ideas that I have, of, you know, I feel like if I have, even if it's one person at this point, if I have, even if it's one person, even if it's five, to come along this journey with me of me just transforming my entire life from my physical to my career to my spiritual self to my mental health, to just, there's just buckets of things that I really want to like improve. And I'm just so tired of feeling like just this anxious feeling every single day that I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I've wasted a decade feeling like this, and it has to stop. It just has to stop. So we are going to do it. I'm going to pivot. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time. So right now, I just need to like center myself, because I literally walked in, dropped off my bag, and came in here, and I'm like turning on my camera because I need to capture this feeling right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. I am going to grab a bite and just get everything out of my mind. Let's do it. feeling better just by doing my nighttime routine. My mind is still racing, so I need to calm it down a bit. Let's head into shower and then we'll do the rest of my nighttime routine. downtime and nighttime routine is all set. I think it's time for me to get in bed, jot down what's in my brain, and call it a night, because I need zen right now. I just got lost in my writing, and I just feel a sense of like clarity, and I'm so grateful because I feel like before you could tell how my brain was spiraling, and now I just feel a sense of calmness, a sense of direction. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I still feel like I want to write some more and just like pour it out until I feel pretty empty. I thank you for tuning in. Although this wasn't supposed to be my first video back on the tube, I think it's a good place to start. If I keep waiting for it to be perfect, then I'll never start, or I'll never continue. So I think there are a lot of exciting things that are, see, it's true. There are a lot of exciting things that are going to be happening soon, and I feel it in my bones. I feel it, you know, in my soul, and I'm just so grateful and so excited to bring you all along. And listen, we're doing this together. I don't have it figured out at all, and that's me being extremely vulnerable. I've never done this before. I've never lived this life before, so I feel empowered. I feel grateful. I feel all the things right now, all the things right now. And I don't want to ramble. I'm going to keep writing until I can't write anymore. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Have a good night, lovies. Bye. Mwah.